Hey, Emily, thanks for coming.
I said I would come, Ethan.
Emily, you look tired. Did you eat anything today?
I'm fine, Ethan. Please, let's not begin like this.
Like what, Emily?
Like everything is still normal between us.
I thought it was normal. That's why I asked you to meet me, Emily.
You asked me because you wanted answers. And I came because I don't want to lie anymore.
Emily, I love you. I don't know how else to say it, but I truly love you.
I know, Ethan. You've always been honest about that.
Then why does it feel like I'm losing you every single day?
Because you are, Ethan.
Emily, say that again.
Ethan, we're moving in different directions in life.
I don't care about directions, Emily. I care about you. I want to marry you.
And that's exactly the problem, Ethan.
How can marriage be a problem, Emily?
Because you talk about marriage like it's a dream. I talk about marriage like it's a serious decision.
I can decide too. I'm not a child, Emily.
You're still in college, Ethan.
So what? People get married during college.
Some people do, but I don't want that life.
Then tell me, Emily, what kind of life do you want?
A stable life, a secure life. A life where I don't worry about money, rent, or the future.
I can work, Emily. I will work hard. I'll take responsibility.
I know you will grow, Ethan. But I don't want to wait for that growth.
So was I just temporary in your life?
No, Ethan, you were important. But importance doesn't always lead to marriage.
Then what were all those late night calls, Emily? Emily, what about all the promises you made? What about all those forever talks?
They were real at that time, but people change.
Or they choose to change.
Maybe.
You've been distant since last week, since your friend's wedding.
Yes, Ethan.
That wasn't a coincidence, was it?
No.
You met someone else.
Yes, I did.
Who is he, Emily?
He's a man, a CEO.
A CEO.
He's mature, Ethan. He knows what he wants. He knows where his life is going.
And I don't.
You're still discovering yourself.
He was once like me too.
But he has already reached that stage.
How long have you known him, Emily?
1 week.
1 week, and that's enough to replace us.
It didn't replace us, Ethan. It showed me what I truly want.
Money.
Stability.
Power.
Security.
Status.
Peace of mind.
And what about love, Emily?
Love doesn't pay bills, Ethan.
But love keeps us human.
And being human doesn't always mean being happy.
I would have given you everything.
I know, but I don't want everything later. I want something now.
So you've chosen him.
Yes, Ethan.
Just like that.
Nothing about this was easy.
Did you tell him about me?
Yes.
And he still wants to marry you.
He proposed yesterday.
Yesterday.
I said yes.
So this meeting was never about us.
It was about closure, Ethan.
You could have told me on the phone.
You deserved respect.
Respect would have been honesty earlier.
Maybe, but this is the truth now.
Do you love him, Emily?
I respect him.
That's not love.
Love can grow.
And love can die too.
Yes.
So this is goodbye.
I think it has been goodbye for a while.
I was planning our future, you were planning your exit.
I never wanted to hurt you.
But you did, Emily.
I'm sorry.
Sorry won't change anything.
I know.
Will you ever miss me?
I already do.
Then why leave me?
Because missing someone is easier than living with regret.
I hope he gives you everything you're searching for.
And I hope you become everything you dream of, Ethan.
And then?
Then someone will be very lucky to have you.
I wanted that person to be you.
I know.
Take care, Emily.
You too, Ethan.